beautiful apple. When I draw, let me take my new pen and draw one side, second side. Then I should draw like this and like this. Now I take my pen to draw a nice apple. 1 and 2. And one side is gap with same upside. Now we are gonna draw this one and the leaf. So beautiful, right? Yeah. And one pretty spot. Done. These are new apple. Now I'm gonna color it. Let me close my pen. Now we need a red color. Now just color it nicely and softly. You can also draw hard or soft. That's your one. Just color it hardly. So the red apple is so much. Or you can put any colors, green or red, which is your favorite apple. You can put green in color this apple or red in color. Don't put other colors because it have only red and green color. Make sure to like and subscribe in this subscribe button and like button. If you like this drawing, you can like this too much. Now I need to take the brown color. Then I will take the green color. I have so many green. I'll take the light green. Now I'm gonna take the gray color and draw it in the bottom of this apple. It's looking good, right? This is the shadow of the apple. You're gonna like it. It's the shadow, but don't be afraid. You can just copy me. You can draw your favorite apple, green apple, or you can color like this with your pen or pencil or marker. Your favorite thing is what? You can color with anything. If you want shadow, you can draw shadow. If you don't want, you can draw a fruit basket. Or you can draw the tree inside the apple, which is you like your favorite. If you want, you can copy me with my drawing. Now my apple is done. I need a bit more red to color it up. But there's a gap on white. So I will color it this much red. I'm not color this one because it is white. I'm only coloring this apple so it looks like a real apple. And we learn how to draw the real apple. So we can draw the nice apple, then this great apple. I done my photo of apple. I will show you. Now my second apple and my first apple is like a big. Now my second apple is so small. I draw it big and small. But if you like this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Which one is your favorite apple, big or small? Or if you color with the green, you can tell or big and small. Make sure to like and share this drawing.